dress. I hate the way that you
Here is an urgent message for the following county, Tejima, California. The National Water Service Administration has issued a flash flood warning for the Tejima County Division of the Park Fire Ground Scar in eastern Tejima County in Northern California until 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 5:03 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Tejima County Division of the Park Fire Ground Scar. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the one area will cause mudslides near steep rain. The mudslides can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Tejima County Division of the Park Fire Ground Scar. Source: radar. Intact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Tejima County Division of the Park Fire Ground Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mineral, Payne Creek, and Renton. Additional locations include Highway 36 Corridor, Payne Creek, Deer Creek, Deer Creek, and Pine Creek. Radar estimates that from 0.50 to 1.00 inches has fallen over the past 30 minutes, with up to an additional 0.50 inches possible over the southern portions of the Ground Scar. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the Tejima County Division of the Park Fire Ground Scar. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways will be washed away in places. If you encounter flood waters, climb to safety. For the following county, Butte, California. The National Water Service Administration has issued a flash flood warning for the Butte County Division of the Park Fire Ground Scar in northwestern Butte County in Northern California until 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 5:03 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Butte County Division of the Park Fire Ground Scar. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the one area will cause mudslides near steep terrain. The mudslides can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms in and around the Butte County Division of the Park Fire Ground Scar. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of areas in and around the Butte County Division of the Park Fire Ground Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Richardson Springs and Forest Ridge. Additional locations include Rock Creek, Mud Creek, and Deep Creek. Radar estimates that from 0.50 to 1.00 inches has fallen over the past 30 minutes, with up to an additional 0.50 inches possible. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the Butte County Division of the Park Fire Ground Scar. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you encounter flood waters, climb to safety.